Good morning, I'm Liz with Eco Urban Gardens and welcome back for episode 7 of Gardening at Home. So today I'm here at Arroyo High School in our Arroyo High School Farm Lab where we are learning how to forage wild edible plants. Now these plants are typically considered weeds, but a weed is just something growing in a cultivated space that's a wild plant. So you've all heard of a superfood, something that's packed with lots of vitamins and nutrients. Wild plants are often superfoods because they have no cultivated space and they're growing out in the open. They have to work harder to survive, and that actually makes them more packed with nutrients than cultivated plants. So today I'm going to show you just a couple common edible wild plants. Now, don't go off onto the side of the road and just start eating random things or eating things when you're hiking, because there's a lot of poisonous plants that look similar to the edible wild plants. So you really need to learn how to identify leaf shapes. If you want to learn more about this, just follow Eco Urban Gardens and reach out to me personally and I'll help you through the process. So the ones that I found today in the garden are mallow. You can eat all parts of this plant, the leaf, the root, the flower, and you can identify it from this very specific round leaf. Not a lot of plants have a leaf like that. The next plant that I really love to munch on is called lamb's quarters. It's really good in a salad, packed with iron and vitamins, and it's got this very specific pointy leaf shape, almost like a heart. Some of you probably recognize this one, wild mustard. It's also very invasive, so if you want to eat a lot of it, you should. The mustard flowers can be used in a salad. They do have a little bit of a kick to them. And the leaves, the tastier leaves will be the smaller, younger leaves. As the leaves start to get bigger and older, they get a little bit of fuzz on them and they're not as tasty. And everyone's favorite, dandelion. Doesn't have a flower right now. It's a little bit wilted, but really great in a salad. Super easy to identify. And one that looks kind of like dandelion is wild lettuce, also sometimes called bitter lettuce. Similar leaf and similar yellow flower, but grows a lot taller. Also really great in a salad. You can eat the flowers or the leaves or the stems, any part. So that's it for our wild foraging of edible plants. Once we are back with our normal volunteer days, we'll have some volunteer days to teach you about how to do this on your own. So thank you so much for joining us, and I can't wait to see you for episode 8.